What's going on, everybody? It's Darren here, and today we are back better than we were the last time. Now, is this an outfit that I had in another video that I just actually recorded in real time, but just put on a hat? The world may never know. But anyway, even if I did just record another video that I don't know when each video is going to come out, and I did just put on a hat just to change it up a little bit, I want to talk about how I recently got these. Hold on, I'll show you. Alright, so about a month ago I got these, I say, Carolina Blue Beats Solo Pro, and I love them. The only thing I haven't done with them yet is take them on a trip, like on a plane. That's literally what I got them for. I got them for like to be able to put them on and be like, oh, look, I'm on vacation. Let me be able to sleep on the plane. Because with the AirPods, I'm terrified they'll fall out, and also I can still hear stuff when I'm trying to sleep. So yeah, I got these. They were on sale at Best Buy, so I went ahead and got them. And I just want to talk about the pros and cons and what I feel about these Beats, because I feel like people should know. I use them for editing. I use them for everything. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the review bars. So first things first. I would like to say that this is something that's important to me, so I don't know if it's important to you, but these sound good with podcasts, videos, and music, because I've had headphones before that they only sounded good with music, with the bass and whatnot, and people usually say like Beats are just good for bass. Well, these actually sound very good with a podcast as well. The audio sounds crisp, sounds clean, sounds delightful in my opinion. So if you're someone that likes to listen to a lot of more audio, like even audiobooks instead of music with the bass and the sounds and the instruments, then you could still get these Beats and be fine with that. And the reason they probably sound so good is just because of how they're made. They're very sturdy. I know technically like how they feel and stuff and how they bend has nothing to do with the sound quality, but you can tell that these are made very well. It's kind of heavy to the touch. They're very, I think it's either, is it metal or hard plastic? I don't know. I really don't. I think it's metal right here in this little socket part right here that you can pull out. Now I will say it's really hard to pull out this little part for when you're around like me and have a big head. So yeah, I will say that it just feels like you're gonna break it, but I don't think you are. Like these are quality made or high grade material. I mean, they're not no AirPod. I mean, they're not no AirPod. What are they called? I said AirPods Max, but that's not what it's called. AirPod Max with the giant AirPods. I don't think they're built like that, but yeah, I mean, you got your hard plastic up here, but yeah, I think this part's metal. With that being said, I will say the build, because of the build quality, after a while, they are actually pretty tight on your ear, and it kind of hurts a little bit when you're sitting there for 3 to 4 hours. So if you, I will say, and I don't know, I don't know if it's just me. I've seen other reviews just to see if I was crazy. A lot of people said that it hurts their ears or they just feel a little snug, but I have big ears. I don't know if you can tell, but I have really big ears. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, because these are on ear and not over ear. There's a difference, and I didn't know that before I bought these, but like I said, I'm okay with it just because of how they sound. So the battery life is up to 22 hours with the noise canceling, and then it's up to 40 hours without the noise canceling. So that's plenty of time. You can charge them for 10 minutes and get 3 hours worth of play. That's what the box says, at least. So that's something you can definitely take into account for if you are someone that likes to travel, or if you're someone that likes to work out, if you're someone that just has very long listens with these headphones. They should not die on you unless you just never charged them. I haven't charged these in a minute, so if I put them on right now, they might be either already dead or about to be dead. I don't know, but yeah, that's one thing I do like about these headphones. It's just amazing battery life. Now the noise canceling is A1. The noise canceling is the reason I even got them, because like I said, I got them for traveling. So the noise canceling, like, I can hear myself typing without noise canceling. Put the noise canceling on, can't see anything. And then, well, I said see. It has nothing to do with your vision, I promise. It has nothing to do with your vision. But I can't hear anything. And now, I'm someone that, like, I do not like having my back turned towards doors. So if you see like my desk setup, as you see, it's obviously against one door, and I have another door like over here that you can't see. And so yeah, with these, I definitely had to be facing this way, because I could not be like my back turned towards the other side of the room facing the door. I couldn't do it because I'll be too scared, because you can't hear anything. with the noise canceling. So make sure if you use them, you're using them like at the appropriate moment, because if you babysitting and you have these on and the baby's not in your hands, it could be rough for you. But with these super duper noise canceling headphones, I like the color they come in. It's pretty stylish, it's pretty bright. I like that about these headphones, just that it just adds a little bit of color. A lot of my stuff is black and gray, so it adds a little bit of color, so I like that. It's a little different, it sticks out. One cool thing about these is that once you close them up, they're off. But if you open them like so, they're on. So it'll probably pop up on my computer or my phone, I don't know which one, but now they're on, and then now they're pairable to via Bluetooth at least, to any of my devices. So that's pretty cool. So you don't have to worry about turning them off. You just fold them up like this, put them in a little bag, and then there you go. See, as you can see, like on my phone right here, they're popped up, just because it just now connected for whatever reason. But yeah, so these headphones are really good quality, sonically, and just how they're built. That's one thing those are like, well, two things I look for in headphones. So I suggest getting them. Like I said, I got them on sale at Best Buy. I'm pretty sure, and it was a significant price difference between how much they normally cost and how much they sell. I don't know if that means Beats are about to come out with new headphones, because even though Apple owns Beats, they still let Beats do their thing. So I don't know if that means more Beats are going to come out or what the case may be. But these are definitely some quality headphones that you can get, and that I'm pretty sure that you will enjoy. Alright, and just before we close out the video, I know I don't want to close on anything bad. These are just a couple of cons that I would like to mention, just in case. I know I had a great review about how good they are and how much I love them and how I recommend them, but these are a couple of cons that to you may be like, hey, I can't do it. So, like with most headphones like that, if you have glasses, it's weird. I don't like how it feels. I don't know if it's my glasses frames or what, but like I said, they are a little snug, so make my glasses twist a little bit and I have to adjust them. I don't like that, but there aren't too many headphones that aren't gonna do that, so that's something to think about. Like I said, they are a little snug around the ear for long listens. Another thing I would like to talk about is that they are the lightning port and the lightning jack. I would prefer for them to be USB-C, just because everything else is kind of moving towards USB-C, but right now they're lightning port, so my phone charger, my iPhone 11 charger can go into them, and they came with their own charger, just not a dock or not the big brick piece, so you have to find your own brick piece or connect it to a computer somewhere, which, wow, I wish it was USB-C. But anyway, yeah, so I don't like that part, but I mean, it is what it is. It's not a deal breaker to me. Maybe a deal breaker to you, not a deal breaker to me, just because I guess because my phone's already lightning port, so it's not like I don't have a brick, and like I said, it came with a charger. And the last thing is that it comes with a very soft case. I would prefer for it to come with a harder case for traveling, but that's just a minute detail. It's not that big of a deal to me, but I do prefer it to come with a harder case, just so that if I'm traveling and my bag gets thrown around or shifted around or whatever the case may be, I know that my headphones are safe. But like I said, they are pretty sturdy, so hopefully they won't break. So yeah, I really enjoyed these. So yeah, those are my couple of cons that I just wanted to get out there, just in case you may be thinking about getting them and was like, hey, what's the catch? There's literally no catch. I really enjoy these headphones. It's just, there's like a few cons, but those are literally minute details. If you're a snob like me, then yeah, they bother you like they do me, but it's something you'll get over just because of the build quality that I really enjoy, because I know they won't break, and also the actual sound quality. The bass isn't too much and it actually sounds good. So that is it. That does it for the review. If you'd like for me to do more reviews about, like, I'm trying to keep everything a little bit the same, so if you'd like to see more reviews like around like things I use every day, like around my desk setup or whatever the case may be, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe if you are new, and if you want to see more reviews, make sure you subscribe and like the video. And once again, let me know down in the comment section down below. And that is it, and that does it for this video. I need to change the shirt. 2 videos. The shirt's been through 2 videos. It's dirty. I sweat. I'd be nervous when I do these videos, but hey, y'all like the content. You can't see the sweat. It is what it is. Peace.